So my first impression of Ken Baker was probably that he's forgotten more about Southlake than I'll ever know. I mean, the man's an encyclopedia of knowledge, and it makes our job as council members so much easier because he can dig back into the memory banks and think through and help us talk through and analyze cases based on what prior councils have done and what prior councils have said. It's invaluable as a council member and as a mayor. You know, it's really hard as mayor to try to encapsulate and describe the career of a man like Ken Baker and how much he means to this city, to the city staff, to the city council, and to me and my predecessors. He has made such an incredible impact on the community we live in, and losing him to retirement, while exciting for him and his family, is such a loss that we're really not going to be able to understand how much of a loss it is until we kind of get into doing life without him. And that's not to make him feel bad, although Ken, if this makes you feel bad enough to stay, I'm fine with that as well. But really it's a recognition at the end of the day for the work he's put into this place. His fingerprints are everywhere, from Town Square, where I'm sitting, to every development on every corner. You know, Ken, you're leaving the right way. You're leaving having made an incredible, indelible impact on the city of Southlake, and your legacy will be here forever in the buildings and the developments and the parks that we all enjoy. So once again, we appreciate you, Ken. We love you, and we thank you for everything you've done. You're amazing, and wish you all the best in your next phase of life. So that's all for this week's Minute with the Mayor. I'm all up in my feelings. Goodbye, Ken. We'll see you next week.